Hey guys, we're going to Houston.
Wait.
All right, the Adams family is about to go to Houston for a drop-off for a dance competition. Isn't that right, babe? Where are we going?
The Galleria.
Oh, I thought we were going to a dance competition. All right, kids, you ready to go? Adam's first flying video. See how this comes out. All right, here we go, guys. We're going from Boerne, Texas to Houston. We're leaving Threshold Ranch Airpark. Are my girls back there? I'll wave to the camera and say hi.
I'm on video. It's looking straight at me.
Boerne Stage Airfield. Automated weather observation 2117 Zulu weather. Wind 140 at 11 gust 16 visibility 10. Ceiling 4,500. Broken 5,000. Overcast. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 16. Altimeter 2988. Remarks. Density altitude 3,100.
All right, you guys ready for takeoff?
Yep.
Go Houston. Our airspeed's live through 60 knots. And there's rotation. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon from flight deck. Captain Adam speaking. We've reached our cruising altitude of 9,500 feet on this beautiful day over to Houston, just 80 miles to the west of the field. 83, we'll call it 83 degrees Fahrenheit. We're expecting a mostly smooth ride, may get a little bumps on the descent. To the right, we have First Officer Adams assisting, and in the back, we have Amelia and Melissa. Sugarland ground, Cirrus 512 Charlie Papa, over.
512 Charlie Papa, Sugarland ground.
Yes, sir. Can you help us out? Tower cannot hear us on either comm. We're trying to come in. We're only 5 miles to the west.
Cirrus 2 Charlie Papa, you could enter a right base, runway 17, you're clear to land.
Okay, thank you so much. We have Sierra, clear to land, right base 17.
Hey, Mason.
$500.
Traffic, Cirrus 512 Charlie Papa, turn in mile final, runway 17, full stop, Boerne.